Okay guys, today we are going to study about hypersensitivity. Welcome to Medic Ideas. Today, hypersensitivity is actually the aggregation of inappropriate response which leads to pathology. Aggregation of inappropriate response. Hypersensitivity is actually divided into four types. Type 1 hypersensitivity, type 2 hypersensitivity, type 3 hypersensitivity, type 4 hypersensitivity. Or instant in type 1 hypersensitivity we are going to discuss here every hypersensitivity in some manner. Okay, like type 1 hypersensitivity is instant hypersensitivity or anaphylactic hypersensitivity. Type 1 hypersensitivity is mainly IgE mediated hypersensitivity, and IgE mediated mast cell regulation means IgE antibody is involved in type 1 hypersensitivity. This is proliferative immune response. And next, this type of hypersensitivity is for short time, like for 1 hour, and after that this is regulated by late phase and Th hyper helper cells are involved in this type of hypersensitivity. Next, this hypersensitivity mainly responsible for allergic reactions. The pathologically, what type of things are regulate this type of hypersensitivity? Rhinoconjunctivitis, and in 20 to 30% they found in this atopic eczema. In atopic eczema they have 20%, and urticaria 50 to 20%, and food allergy 3 to 4%, as you can see here. Next is poisonous reactions. Now most mast cell mediator, this is mast cell mediator, like this hypersensitivity because of Ig antibody mast cell mediator. What are the main mast cell mediators? Are biogenic amines and the lipid mediators. Biogenic amine is histamine, and lipid mediator is DAF and PGD, prostaglandin, and LTC4. This mast cell mediator will vasodilation, increase the width of vessels, they dilate them, and the bronchoconstriction. And vascular leakage, intestinal because in the serum sickness foreign anti-sera. Polyarteritis nodosa is actually the disease when hepatitis B virus surface antigen. Hepatitis B virus does cause a surface antigen. Type 4 in we are going to study here type 4 hypersensitivity. In this is the only hypersensitivity where the T cells are involved. In type 4 hypersensitivity, delayed type hypersensitivity means it take about 48 hours. This type of hypersensitivity, the time period is 48 hours. Next we are going to discuss like T cell mediated. This is T cell mediated. CD8 T killer cells are involved in this because T killer cells is only regulated on the receptor MCH2 receptor, and for type 1 hypersensitivity T helper cell MCH1 receptor is involved. In this hypersensitivity, actually T cells CD8 cell activation will occur, which further cell killing, cause cell killing and the tissue injury. Next, what are the main causes of this type 4 hypersensitivity? Here, though this is not the disease, this is not involved here. Like what are these are the causes? These are the causes of type 4 hypersensitivity. First cause is tuberculin reaction, which is mostly tuberculin reaction is occur in tuberculosis. Next one is contact dermatitis. In contact dermatitis, the Hashimoto thyroiditis, multiple sclerosis will occur when the type 4 hypersensitivity will occur. Type 1 diabetes, when there is insulin insufficiency, and the Guillain-Barré syndrome. In Guillain-Barré syndrome and Crohn's disease mainly like aldosterone problems, and like first layer of adrenal cortex, the aldosterone will release. So in Crohn's disease, the type 4 hypersensitivity will occur because their T killer cell will activate in this type of hypersensitivity. Thank you all for this video. This video covers the 4 hypersensitivity. If you like this video, please hit subscribe button, like button, and thank you.